Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to check how you install SecureCRT on your Windows 11 laptop. Might be Windows 10, doesn't matter. So let's quickly go around it. Let's hop onto my screen. So first of all, let's just do a search for SecureCRT, and we'll open a Vendex software link. You go and click on the first link. So once the link opens, scroll down a little. Okay, just once you reach here, so you will get the latest version. So currently it is running 9.5. So if you don't want to download additional software, I'll suggest go for the first link and open in a new tab or just do a click. Anything is fine. Scroll down, acknowledge the terms and conditions, and go for your country. So mention your country and do a download. So once the setup, it will ask you where to download. I'll just go and do a download in my download folder. So meanwhile, I'll just like to clarify that SecureCRT is not open source. You will get a 1 month trial period to evaluate, and post that you will have to buy their premium plans. So if you are looking to use SecureCRT, I would suggest you already have a license from your company. That would be much easier for you, because the software is really good as compared to Putty and SuperPutty. It has a good amount of options that you can explore, and that's why even I use it. And I have been using it since last couple of years, and I've seen no issues for now. Okay, and also SecureCRT offers you, if you go with the latest releases or latest updates, they also have session loggings, password saves. You just need to click on the device, it shows the session options. It also has buttons for easy go commands which you have. You don't need to type every time. You can just click on it and it will just pop onto your screen. I'll just open the link that I just downloaded. I'll click on yes, that I want to install the software, and I'll just wait for the link to pop up. Basically the install wizard. And okay, here is the installation wizard for SecureCRT. I'll just do a next. Okay, let it load. I'll just do a next. Okay, if you get this error, might be I have installed it previously. That's why if you have a new installation, you might not even get that error. I'll just accept the terms and conditions. I'll just create common profile. I want to complete installations, and at the end I'll create just do a next and do a install. So that starts the installation process. So the installation is quite smooth. However, the feature that it offers is in range, so you'll need some time to get hold of it actually. But nevertheless, it is a good software, and I would suggest time exploring this. So once the software is installed, I will just take a quick look. I'll just not subscribe. I'll just click on finish, and let's go back. It has created a shortcut. Okay, let's go. Okay, here I see SecureCRT. I'll just double click and open it. Okay, it says 30 days remaining, so I will just go with the 30-day trial as I told you before. Okay, I just no need to have any configuration password for now. I'll just to show you how it is and how it looks. Okay, it comes with a night mode. Now it seems. So you can change the modes. You can change the themes according to you, whatever suits you. I'll just go with the white theme. So you have a session manager here. You can create your own sessions. I'll just type. I don't have anything connected right now. I'll just go with just quickly to show you. I just don't have anything connected for now. So it opens up like this, and if you have already stored a password, or you might even log in. But for now, let's not go over it. I will just show you other options that we have. So we have a button bar here at the bottom. So what that is for? That is for storing buttons, easy access show commands. I'll just name it as show commands. I'll create a new button. I'll go for string. So normally people have syscalls. This is a common command, and I don't want to type it again and again. So what I'll do is I'll just include that command, and accordingly I'll just have a /n to change the line, and enter. Now you will have this command. Okay, I just didn't name it. I'll just name the command. So now what you will get is, okay, let's name it again. Okay, I have not added the label here. Okay, and even you can change the colors also. That's a couple of things which really helps me out. You have a session manager, so that's what makes this unique. You have a session manager to manage all your sessions in one tab. You have a command manager. Similarly, these commands, if there are n number of commands, you can store it in linear format over here. So that again makes sense. Again, you have scripting available here. The task which you do on a repeated basis, you can create a macro for that. And a couple of more options are there which I might cover in the next video. Just let me know in the comments if you think you need some additional features that I need to try out and test. Accordingly, I'll create a video for that. But for now, this was a simple video for how to install the SecureCRT and get started with it. So I hope this session was informative, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.